We want to assure Your Excellency that we have always been loyal to you as people from that region. We will continue to be loyal to you, and we will obey and fulfill any instruction given by the party which we lead to do, and we shall be working with you. We have a saying in Somalia that if you lose your road during the dark, you retrace it during the daylight. If for any reason there is a feeling that we have gone wrong, I want to tell you, we have not intended to be wrong. We always intended to work with you and be with you within faith.
Party and the party leader, His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta, for appointing and trusting us with the role of majority leader in our National Assembly from 2013 to date. We are aware last Tuesday there was also a PG meeting at State House where Honorable Duale also was detained. We are grateful for that because that position is a position which was actually entrusted to the people of the Northeastern region in the name of Duale, and I am sure Duale has done a great job. I was in the National Assembly with him in the last Parliament, and in driving the agenda of the party and also the government, I think he has done a splendid job, and I thank the President for organizing that. And we'll, of course, I'm still sure that Honorable Duale will be able to do that job splendidly the way he was doing before. So we want to thank the President for retaining him, because there was a purge in the party last week, but this week. But I think that will be reassurance that we have been again trusted with that, and we thank him. Equally, we thank the President also for giving us many positions in the government. I know they are cabinet secretaries, principal secretaries, and we still hope that the trust that he has given us during after election and be able to retain our people, be retained in those positions. Thank you very much, and I think the agenda of the government, I think both in houses, we have been driving it, and the Duale has been driving it. We assure him that, of course, whatever agenda our party and the government has will be able to drive, so that for the benefit of the people of that region and for the benefit of Kenya as a whole. I thank you, members of the President. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I think I'll just agree with the two senators from Mandera and Garissa and the senator from Wajir. We are representing the people of Northeastern, as it's been stated, and we are in support of the President's agenda from the beginning to date. We will continue doing that, and we are grateful that Honorable Duale has been retained. I hope and pray that nothing else comes up from whatever the President has said. Nobody should try and undermine what the President has said, and we have been with the President. And as Honorable Haji said, whatever he felt has gone wrong, we ask for his indulgence. We will be ready to make sure that nothing goes wrong again, or that he ever feels that the people of Northeastern are not happy with him. So ours is that we are happy and we are grateful and we are in support, and we are in support of the leadership of the National Assembly and also in the Senate. We will ask the President to try and believe in us, as he has done for many years, because some of us have been with him for a very long time. We plead with him, we ask his support, and we are ready and willing to do all government agendas. Thank you very much. Somali question.
barayaasha reeto laga soo dartay Western maanta isu imaanay ujeedadana maxay ahayd inaan madaxweynaha u celino mahad ku saabsan mudane Aadan Ducaale oo ka dhigay majority leader since waqtigii 2013 ilaa maanta maalintoodna markii ay ku kulmeen State House oo haddana uu yiraahdo aadan shaqada ha sii wado ayaan mahad u celinaynaa mahaddan waxaa ugu celinaynaa shaqadaasayto waa shaqadii maarata shaqo culus shaqo muhiim ah sidaan ogsoonana aadan intuu meesha uu ku jiro shaqadiisa wuu ku dadaalay siduu maarata uu oga soo baxo fasalin marka madaxweynaha waxaan leenahay Soomaali maxay dhahdeen jidkii habeen laga dhumay maalinta lagu soo noqdaa haddii maarata ay joogto ama la malaynayo in annaka aanan daacad aan ahayn waxaan leenahay dowladda daacadaan una madaxweynahana daacadaan una si alla siduu xisbiga uu faro waan samaynaynaa walba waan samayn jirnay waxaad ka dambeena waan samaynaynaa marka waxaan ka codsanaynaa Aadan Ducaale inuu shaqadiisa u wato hadduu khalad u imaadana annaka mas-uulka ah noqon doona intaas yeetoo baan rabnay inaan cadayno maanta shukran
والله